Hello! Welcome to this helpful tutorial. If your laptop's touchpad isn't working or has been disabled, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the touchpad in Windows 10 using the system settings. Let's go through the steps one by one to fix the issue quickly. First, right-click on the Start menu icon in the lower left corner of your screen. From the list that appears, click on Settings. Then, in the Settings window, click on Devices. Now on the left-hand side, click on Touchpad. On the right side of the screen, find the switch under Touchpad and toggle it on. Close the Settings window, and your touchpad should now be enabled and working properly. That's it. Your touchpad should now be active. If it's still not working, make sure the correct drivers are installed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tech tips.